Okay, so I'm ready to assemble my dish. I've cooked all my elements and I've sliced the terrine, so that's going to be the first thing that will go on the plate, like this. You can see it's quite soft now that it's cooked through, but you can still see all those layers that I made earlier. So that's on there first. Then I'm going to go and get the pork out of the oven. And go on with some of the onions that I used to prop up the pork belly before I cooked it. And then I'm going to have 2 nice slices. You can see it's really, the jerk seasoning, the sugar in it has really helped the pork to caramelise nicely. And then we've got the mango salsa made earlier, which I'm going to spoon onto the top. I'm also going to make sure I get some of that liquid from the salsa as well to drizzle over and around. Plate. And then as a final touch, I've got some garnishes here. I've just got a bit of cilantro or coriander, which I'm just gonna, I haven't chopped it at all, I'm just gonna scatter it roughly over the top, just to give a nice bit of colour to the dish. And then I've got some red chilies as well, which I'll just add to the plate, placing them all around, trying to balance them. Some scallions, spring onions, also around. See how you can kind of mimic the things that you've used in the jerk seasoning or in the salsa as a garnish, just to keep the theme going. And finally, a couple of wedges of lime, which just completes the dish. And that's it finished. So this is jerk pork belly, sweet potato terrine and mango salsa.